Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you how I do one of my homemade hair masks. And this is part of my hair care routine for maybe like twice a month. So you're just gonna put one egg in a mixing bowl, could be anything. Then you're gonna add some mayo and some olive oil. Alright guys, so I already showed you how I make my mix. So this is the product. I like to apply on clean hair. So I washed my hair last night and kind of just let it dry while I was sleeping. And now the next step would be to brush it and divide it into sections so you can start applying the product. It's kind of hard to do in front of my phone instead of on the mirror. But I just dip my fingers in there. And then with this product, I just start applying it. When all your hair has the product, and if you have any left, you can apply it wherever you think you would need it. So I like to apply the remaining on the ends of my hair, on the edges, especially this area right here. So I'm just gonna apply it there, then right on the center. So I feel like with curls, this is the hardest part, and I just have full of hair and eggs. This process is not pretty, guys. So I like to leave it on my hair a minimum of 30 minutes. But today I just want to leave it for about 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm gonna go do some workouts.